Now, this is Pina. She's eating some fruit. Okay, eat your fruit. Little piece. Okay, chew. Chew, let me see. Are you chew? Uh-oh. Can you drop this off on the garbage? Where's the garbage? Where's the garbage? Huh? Over there. Go. Good job. Yep. Open and throw. And push. Close. Good job. Come here. You want a little more? Now. Chew. Let me see. How can you chew? Okay, now we're gonna show something. Come here. I'm gonna show. Pina, can you show for Sue where's the table? No, the table. Where's the table? Where's the table? Huh? Touch the table. No, touch the table. Touch the table. Good job. Can you show Sue where's the chair? Where's the chair? Where's your chair? This is your chair. Where's the floor? This is the floor. Where's the window? Where's the window? Can you show Sue, please? Where's the window? Where's the window? Huh? Where's the window? I know what you're looking for. Can you show where's the window? Point the window. There is the window. And where is the Christmas tree? There we go. Where's the door? No, the door, other door. The big one. Here. This. Here, over there. You see? Can you show us where's the music? Where's the music? Good job. Let's go put some music. And can you dance? Okay. Let's see. How can you dance? Alright. Look, I have one special music. Are you ready? Now bend your knee. Bend your knee. Good job. Can you turn around? Turn around. Turn around. No, turn around. Turn. Good job. Put your hands up. Pula. Make turn. Good job. Turn it. No. Chew. Can you turn? Can you turn? Opa! Can you chew? Can you chew? I'm gonna kiss you. Eu vou pegar. I'm coming. Kiss you. Can you jump? Can you dance? Good job. Say ciao. Manda beijo. Manda beijo. Manda beijo, pessoal. Can you blink? No. Give me a kiss. Where's my kiss? I'm gonna get you. I gostoso. Say ciao. Say ciao. Say ciao. Good job.